Hey guys, Pete from Pete2Cents.com, February 18th, 2010 on a Thursday. We've been doing good. Still doing good. You see, I've been starting the last couple of videos that way because bottom line, we have been. Currently, right now, it's 1247. The Dow is up again, 16, almost 17 points. S&P has crossed the 1100 line, which is fantastic. So I think next stop is going to be 1150. And the Nasdaq is up a point. So the Nasdaq is a little bit weaker, but all three indices are doing well. They've been rallying the last couple of days. Obviously, we need a little bit of a pullback, slightly. Nothing to shake us out of our boots, but maybe 20, 30, 50 points just to so we don't go parabolic. Bottom line, we're looking at the S&P 500 here on a 6-month chart. And you'll see this is the same chart that I've been using in the last couple of videos. Obviously, I've been changing the trend line just accordingly. But you'll see we went a little parabolic here in this section here. And once we pulled away from 1050, 1060, I mean, we shot up to 1090. 1090 and change. We started teeter-tottering a little bit, but the buyers are still there. The bulls are still there. So we're, as I told you before, we're currently at 1100. I think we may get a slight pullback, as I told you before, and we've already crossed the 5 and the 21 days. So our next stop is going to be crossing the 50. We're going to get some momentum players at that point, and then hopefully, not in a straight line, but diagonal, nice, steady, laddering up and down. We should hit 1150, maybe 30, 60 days, maybe a little less than that. But I think 30, 60 days should be maximum 90 days. But I think we can play this market for the next 90 days comfortably unless we get something catastrophic that happens in the markets or in the economy. Job growth, even though we got a little bit of a weak report this morning, I think jobs are starting to come in slowly but steady. And the overall economy in the market is doing quite well compared. Okay, the noise that you hear from other countries, I think the resolution is going to come, obviously within the next 30 days. These guys are working hard. Don't listen too much to the pundits, because that'll drive you crazy. Bottom line, and it'll just make your thinking, jagged. So stick to your fundamentals when you're researching a stock. Stick to the technicals to see when you're going to get in and get out of a stock. And if you're looking to mid to long term stocks, then again, listen to conference calls, follow the fundamentals very strong, and whenever you have significant profits, take some money off the table. When it pulls back, put some more money on the table on the same stock for your long-term view. Okay, so that's playing the market just like any other manager or professional that does this for a living. Okay, so I think we can all manage our portfolios without too much of a headache. Okay, let's get to my pick, which is a stock that was introduced to me, I want to say maybe 2 months ago by one of my Twitter buddies. I think his handle is ME Trades, something like that. But off the top of my head, nice guy, and he came across this stock. If I pull it up, it'll be nice. FSC, ticker symbol FSC, and it's Fifth Street Finance Corp. And he wanted me to look at it real quick, just to give him my opinion, recommendation, and it looked good at that point. But the last, let's say, 30 days and change, the stock did pull back. But that's okay. I mean, remember, nothing's in a straight line. But this stock, I think, is a growing 800-pound gorilla. It's in the finance industry. It's a specialized industry. A specialized company, okay, that deals with finance. And if you pull this back, let me start here into a 2-year chart, you'll see it has a nice long trend. And this stock has been trending upwards from $4.50 all the way up to $11. I think there's a lot of room for this stock to grow. If you pull it up a little closer, the stock recently pulled back and has started to make its move upward again. So I think you can pick this stock up right here. And this is a mid to long-term stock to play. So put this in your longer portfolio. Okay, your mid to long-term portfolio. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Pete from Pete2Cents.com. Thanks, guys.